Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Kenneth G, and I'm going to show you guys how to make the pink encapsulated nails, my viral pink encapsulated nails. I want to make a separate video for you guys, showing you guys how to encapsulate nails. And I'm also going to be showing you guys more one-on-ones on like how to do press on nails to get that durability, and making sure if you are a press on nail person and you're wanting to make your own or you want to start a business, you'll know how to do it. Also, do not forget, my class is going to be April 4th at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So do not forget to sign up for that class. It will include a starter kit for you guys to be able to receive as well once you purchase your item. So with that being said, I do want to have I'm going to have a different video on how to encapsulate nails, because this encapsulation is one way. It's not the actual way that I would encapsulate my other nails. This nail is only this specific nail because of these flakes. I can't do those flakes on top of the nails without them, like, what's the word? It starts to crumbs up on top, but I can do them underneath it. So yeah, that's why we do it this way, to give it that encapsulated look. So what I'm doing right now is I'm putting on my matted top coat here. And when I say my matted top coat, I mean the Florence Extension brand, which is my company. And we do have matted top coat, high gloss polish, and base polish as well. So those are the three polishes we currently have, which will be available probably like late March, early April. So that will be also something that you guys will have included inside of your kit for you to be able to purchase, okay? So, of course, I'm going to cure my nail sets at this moment. So once I cure it and place the matted top coat, I flip the nail over because the nail is done. That is the closing of it. So, yes, on the bottom of this, your hairs and stuff can't get really caught up on there. Because I make a thin layer of the McCart rhinestone glue on there. If you make a thicker coat of it, it's going to get everywhere. All right, so then I'm going to take my nail filer and I'm going to drill this down, you guys. Like, listen, when I say I drill this down, I drill these things down, not to a T, but get all around the edges, all around the corners. Just make sure you file this nail down. I know a lot of people don't like to file their nails down because they don't believe in. All right, you guys, so if you hear noise in the background, it's because I had to get my toddler from the older kids because they were just like yelling and screaming. I was just like, I cannot have it. But anyways, back to what we're talking about. File the nails down all the way to the T, because that's how you're going to get your nail polish or gel polish to adhere onto the nails. And you're going to need that. You want your nail polish to adhere and there's no lifting, so your customers could use the nails multiple of times. You know, I have a customer who has press-on nail sets for a whole year and they're still using it. They're in their second year of having press-on nail sets for me, and this is why they constantly keep coming back, because my durability and the fact that their polishes are still there and it looks brand new. Thank you, honey. So, of course, after you file your nails down, you want to use that purple smaller buffer. The reason why I use a smaller buffer is because the smaller buffers, you are able to get a nice baby smooth surface, which is good because now you can put your polish on there and it can give like a smooth texture. And you don't want that bumpiness because nobody wants bumpy nails. Then I use my base, the Florence Extension base coat, which is a very thick, I'm saying again, thick, very thick base coat, which helps the nail to become very sturdy, okay? The gel polish that we use on our nails plays a factor on if the nails are going to be thick or if they're going to be... Sorry about that. But anyways, yeah, the polish that you use very much determine the nail sturdiness and durability. And the longer your nails are, the more durability you're going to need, okay? So if you're wearing 2XL nails and stuff like that, and if you need to let the customers know, like, hey, we do have, if you have that option, because I have the option to allow people to have acrylic base, or they have the option to have just the regular gel polish. It is up to them. They do have that option, so that is all available to my customers. Now at this point, I am going to go ahead and put my high gloss, which is the Florence Extension brand high gloss top coat on here, to make it nice and glossy. And I know you guys think you're done when you're doing your nails after polishing. You're like, oh, that's it. No, You need to file the top of your nails to give it that crispy acrylic look. If you're not filing the top of your nails, it's going to give you that corner store, beauty supply store, the girls that be selling them for like $4.99 nails, and you don't want that. You want your stuff to look like you came from the nail salon, okay? You don't want them to be able to tell a difference between nail salon and press-on nails, because you want them to ask, are these press-on nails or real nails? Like, you got their nails done, or they say these are press-ons. Look at that high gloss. Look at that. My brand only. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye-bye.